gallery show. I stepped over the stanchions there, and this woman come running over. "You can't go in there." I opened the door. My daughter was there. I said, I do own the car.
Yeah, I'm pretty
I
sure.
said, if you would have let me go a little bit longer, you probably would have had a stroke because I was going to lean on the roof. My name is Glenn. This is my '63 split window coupe. And I've owned this car 53 years. I bought it August 7th, 1967 from T.D. Kaiser Chevrolet in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. And I paid $2,495 for it. It's here at County Corvette. I brought it here to have a little restoration work done underneath the hood to freshen it up. And I've known County Corvette since they were in Lionville, and that was over 30 years ago. So anything that you want done to a Corvette or muscle car, and want it done one time, done right, bring it to County Corvette.